Vivo Y300 Pro 5G, an early look at the upcoming mid-range marvel. Vivo, known for its innovation and design in the mobile space, is gearing up to launch a new contender in the mid-range 5G smartphone market, the Vivo Y300 Pro 5G. Recent leaks and images have offered a glimpse into what the company has in store for this upcoming model, creating buzz among tech enthusiasts and potential buyers alike. The leaked live images of the Vivo Y300 Pro 5G reveal a smartphone that appears to embrace both sleekness and practicality. The design is expected to be in line with Vivo's recent trend of blending modern aesthetics with functional elements. From the images, it's clear that the Y300 Pro will feature a slim profile, with rounded edges and a minimalistic design approach that emphasizes elegance. One of the standout features of the design is the rear camera module, which is expected to house multiple lenses arranged in a contemporary layout. This setup not only enhances the device's photography capabilities but also adds to its visual appeal. The back panel of the device appears to have a glossy finish, which is likely to come in a range of vibrant colors, catering to diverse user preferences. The Vivo Y300 Pro 5G is anticipated to come with a high-quality display that promises to offer a pleasing visual experience. Although specific details about the screen size and resolution are not fully confirmed yet, the trend in Vivo's recent releases suggests that the Y300 Pro will feature a full HD+ display with vibrant colors and sharp details. This will make it an excellent choice for streaming content, gaming, and everyday tasks. The build quality of the Y300 Pro seems robust, with a focus on delivering a premium feel without compromising on durability. The use of materials like glass and metal will likely ensure that the phone not only looks good but also feels solid in hand. When it comes to performance, the Vivo Y300 Pro 5G is set to offer a balanced combination of power and efficiency. While specific details about the processor and RAM are still under wraps, the device is expected to be powered by a capable mid-range chipset that supports 5G connectivity. This will ensure smooth performance for multitasking and gaming, alongside fast and reliable network speeds. The device is likely to feature a decent amount of RAM and internal storage, providing ample space for apps, media, and files. Vivo's focus on providing a smooth user experience means that the Y300 Pro will likely come with optimizations that enhance overall performance and battery life. Photography is a significant aspect of modern smartphones, and the Vivo Y300 Pro 5G is expected to deliver impressive results in this area. The leaked images suggest a multi-lens camera system on the back, which will likely include a primary sensor along with ultrawide and macro lenses. This configuration is designed to offer versatility in capturing a variety of scenes, from expansive landscapes to close-up shots. On the front, the Y300 Pro is expected to feature a high-resolution selfie camera that supports various modes and filters. This will cater to users who enjoy capturing high-quality self-portraits and engaging in video calls. The Vivo Y300 Pro 5G will run on Vivo's custom interface, which is based on the latest Android version. This will offer a smooth and intuitive user experience, along with various features and customization options. Users can expect enhancements in system performance, security, and user interface design, making the Y300 Pro a user-friendly choice. Additionally, the phone is likely to come with features such as fast charging support, which will ensure that users can quickly power up their device and get back to using it without long interruptions. With the Vivo Y300 Pro 5G, Vivo appears to be aiming for a strong presence in the competitive mid-range smartphone market. The combination of a sleek design, robust performance, versatile camera system, and modern features suggests that this device could be a popular choice among consumers looking for a balance of style and functionality. As the official launch date approaches, more details will emerge, but the early leaks already paint a promising picture of what to expect from Vivo's latest offering.